I have another FabFitFun video for you. This one's a little different. I actually am going to do 3 different things for you today. The first thing I'm going to do at the end of the video is I'm going to show you how to turn your FabFitFun box into a gorgeous decorative element in your home, much like the ones that they used to send to us. I'm going to tell you how in Canada I managed to get another box without having to pay shipping, and I'm going to tell you if I think that it was worth it. And I'm going to focus specifically on Canadian dollars because I'm in Canada and the box prices are all in the US. So this is a seasonal lifetime subscription box. The boxes come 4 times a year. If you subscribe to the box annually, which is what I do, the cost is $259 US. Overall, the entire box for a year in Canada costs me $500 Canadian. And the box, if you were to purchase them just singly, you could buy one box itself and that would be $79.99. So you're looking around $145 Canadian to purchase a one-time box. So it's definitely worthwhile to get the annual subscription. I can leave you a link down below to get an additional $20 US off of your box if it's the first time you've ever subscribed. But I'm going to walk you through what I got in this box and how I managed to get this one for no additional shipping charge. So the cost for shipping in Canada is $25 US. So it really adds up, and it is worth it to me overall, obviously, because I keep getting the boxes. But I'm going to walk you through and show you how I got this box. So this box, as I've journaled about, if you've already watched my journaling video, is the glow up box. In the add-ons, FabFitFun has an option to add on additional boxes. So in Canada, the big advantage to us is that you get to add on a box without having to pay that extra shipping. So the boxes aren't customizable, they're already pre-selected, but you can choose from a variety of different boxes, and this was the glow up box. The first product out of the box is the Amika. This was a customization number 1 item, the Forget Frizz Anti-Frizz Conditioner and Shampoo Set. This is a $56 US value. So right there, we're covering a huge chunk of the box. With my gray hair, I really like to look for high-end hair products, and getting them in my FabFitFun box is quite affordable. The last box you would have watched me open would have had the Amika hair mask, which will make a great set. So that was one of the reasons why I chose the glow up box, because I wanted to have a complete set of shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask from Amika. So the next item in the box is the 8 Other Reasons bucket bag. So this wasn't something that I would have chosen specifically, but one of the things that I've noticed over the years in getting boxes where I wouldn't necessarily always choose the items, sometimes they used to be chosen for us, would be I would discover things that I didn't even know I needed or wanted. So this is the bucket bag. It comes with a little protective foam piece here, and that is nice that it's got that. Let's walk over here and just show you where it sits straight out of the box. This is what it looks like here with my outfit. One really cute thing that I have seen people do is have charms on their bags or hang their sunglasses off. And I'm going to show you actually the next item in my box is a pair of Steve Madden sunglasses. So before we get off of the bucket bag, this was a $149 value, and the Steve Madden sunglasses were a customization number 6 choice. I'm not sure if they're really going to suit my face. Let me know in the comments down below if you think these are a good look for me. It wasn't something that I would have chosen, but they do actually bring me back to the style that I used to wear many years ago, and it's something different. I like having different styles of sunglasses. I like changing it up, and FabFitFun makes it affordable to do that. So these glasses have a retail value of $48, And yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Do you think this suits the style for my face shape? So that is customization number 6. Oh, but I wanted to show you what those look like hanging off of the side of the bag, because I think that that's a really cute look. So let's do that here. One of the things that this bag doesn't have that I do like is a lot of pockets on the inside. There are no pockets or anything. So this is a nice way to safely store your sunglasses, and then quick access as well. And it kind of looks cute hanging off the edge there. Next up is the Electric Picks necklace. This was a customization number 2 item. And looking at the cost of this one, it was $68. I can tell you that this has already been taken by my daughter. She looks so cute in this. I don't have the heart to take it back, so I think this will become a permanent jewelry feature in her jewelry box. One thing that I will mention is that this necklace has permanent fixture here, so it actually doesn't slide up and down, so the charm always stays in place. And yeah, like I said, it looks really, really cute on her. So I'm happy that that was one of the things that came in the box. Again, it has a $68 value. Another thing that's going to my daughter, and this I actually picked specifically for her, is this Rare Beauty hand cream. So when I saw this was the items that came in the box, I thought this would be something that my daughter would be able to use. She can put it in her little bag for school and have a nice little compact way to keep her hands nice and soft. She does use moisturizer a lot throughout the day, so this is a lovely addition to have for her. And that had a value of $18 US. The other thing that came in the box was a Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Brow. Again, nothing I've ever even thought about getting, nothing I've ever tried before, but the great thing about FabFitFun is a way to discover new things you didn't know you wanted or needed. So that had a value of $26. I've been impressed with Thrive Cosmetics products previously, so I think that that would be a nice thing to give a try to. It certainly wouldn't have been anything I would have chosen though. But one thing I would have chosen, and I was glad to get in the box, was this Hourglass Shadow Stick. It has a value of $34, and it's got gorgeous packaging. I have been really impressed with Hourglass products that I have received in the box previous. Comes in the shade Moon, and they had a variety of different shades. I didn't have a choice. If I did have a choice, Moon was one of the ones I had my eye on, and I thought it might be a nice highlight for the inner corner and brow bone. So that is something I'm happy to try, with a value of $34. So the entire value of this box was $399 US. So when I look and think about whether or not it's worth the $79 to add this on to an existing membership, it makes a lot of sense. So that is my second FabFitFun box. So now I'm going to walk you through how to change this box inside out. I posted to the forum that I had done that and shown an example, and there was definitely interest from people to see the process of flipping it inside out. So let's turn around the camera and do that now. Look at how gorgeous this box is on the flipped inside out. I'll show you all of the different angles. It's beautiful. Reminds me very much like the box used to be way back when the beautiful print was on the outside. The nice thing about this is when they ship to you, there's no labels or stickers or anything on the box, so it's kind of almost better for them to put it on the inside because it really preserves the box. So flipping it inside out is actually very simple, and the only 2 things that you need are a pair of scissors and a glue gun. That's it. So the very first thing that you need to do is to pull the inside out, and then you'll see here it's attached to the box. It's actually glued, and that's why we need a glue gun, because we have to glue it back in place. So we're just going to go through and cut it. Probably an X-Acto knife would be better for this. And it's kind of hard to do this on the angle of the camera. It was much easier to do this when I wasn't trying to film. It's quite simple, actually. Okay. Honestly, if you're not doing it on camera, it's really easy to get that undone. I kind of made a mess out of it there, but at least you know what to look for. So that's the one, and then the other two places that are glued are the bottom of the box. So this is the other spot that we need to go into. Oh, that's what I did. Actually didn't use scissors last time. I used a ruler. Okay. And it worked. Maybe that's why it was easier. I saw it sitting on my desk here. Okay. Hey, there we go. So that is why it was easier to do. The scissors weren't the best method. I remember it not being that hard to get them done. So you can just slide underneath, and then you don't have any risk of hurting yourself either, because you've just got a ruler coming at you. There we go. Okay, the hard part is over. Now you're left with the flat pieces. So the first thing I'll do is I will glue the box back together in this spot that we first undid. And that would be here. And I did damage the box a little bit there. If I had done it with a ruler, it would have been better. But you could probably use like an X-Acto knife. There we go. Let that sort of take hold. Now we have a flat box. You can just pop it up and push all of these in. This is just going to go backwards, back into the holes that they came from. There we go. Flip it upside right. We won't worry about that right now because that won't matter. We just need to bring these down. The main thing is we just need to get there we go, box glued, and you can see kind of where it has been previously glued. So let's just put the glue there. There. Line it up so that it is in line with that edge and hold that. I'll turn it around, do the same to the other side. And then let's glue that down so that stays. Okay, line this line up here again, hold it in place, and that's as simple as that. Your box is done. And now you have a box that's reminiscent of our old FabFitFun boxes that used to have the beautiful design on the outside. And there we go. The box is done. Now I have two size boxes. And I can show you what it looks like on the inside. And there's our box complete. You can see all the different sides. How cute it looks. And then on the inside, we open it up. We can push this down into place, and we have our complete box for storing, I don't know, maybe some fall decor items. So, really cute. So it looks the proper way. So there's the FabFitFun, and there's the girl. Everything is done, complete. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in seeing my other boxes when they come, I know it's getting a little late in the season. People have already started to receive most of their boxes, and a lot of the unboxings have already been done. But let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see me unbox the other 3 boxes that I have coming on the way, or if we should just turn our focus towards winter and see what they have in store for us, because it'll be here before you know it. We'll be customizing the winter box, which seems kind of crazy because it feels like it's just starting to be fall. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.